Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I'll try to explain what document do we need for PhD scholarship step by step. In the last video I tried to explain how we can apply for PhD scholarship or how we can find PhD position in Italy. So let's start. As you can see in the slide, the main goal is to explain what document do we need for PhD scholarship in Italy, right? First of all, you need all educational document, bachelor, master, and degree and transcript. You need all educational document. Second, you need Europass CV. Europass CV is very important if you want to apply for PhD scholarship in Europe, in Italy. So if you don't know how to create Europass CV, simply go to my channel. You will have a list of videos that you will know how to create CV. You can see easy way to create Europass CV. You can watch these videos if you don't know how to create Europass CV. Second thing, you need research proposal is also very important. You should know how to write your research proposal and what is your future work and so on. So you should know how to write a very professional research proposal, right? The fourth is like recommendation letter. Recommendation letter is very important. You need 2 or 3 recommendation letter if you want to apply for PhD scholarship in Italy. You can get this recommendation letter from your professor, from your lecturer, from the person you are working with them. So you need this recommendation letter from your professor, from your assistant professor, from your boss, that where you are working. The fifth thing you need passport. Passport is also important. You need passport. And then you need English proficiency certificate or IELTS. Sometimes they require English proficiency, sometimes IELTS. It depends on the university requirement, but most of time, if you want to apply for PhD in Italy, most of time they require English proficiency certificate. And is motivational letter is also important. You need a motivational letter or cover letter for to apply for PhD scholarship. Simply, if you don't know how to write motivational letter, simply go to my channel. You can learn how to write, you create a cover letter or motivational letter step by step. And list of reference research paper. If you already have some research paper in your master, bachelor, you should add your research paper when you are applying for PhD. It's very important. And now I will explain application process of PhD in Italy. First of all, you have all documents, and then you have to submit online application. First step. Second step, wait for interview list. After a few weeks, you will have a list of students that are selected for interview list. And then after, if you're selected for interview, you will have an interview in step 3. If you pass the interview, you will have outcome of your application and you will get scholarship if you pass the interview. So to apply for PhD scholarship in Italy is quite easy. Simple step. First, you need all list of documents. If you have all list of documents, then simply you need to follow this step and you will get your scholarship if you pass the interview. So it's quite easy. How you can, in the last video I tried to explain how to find, as you can see in the video, I tried to explain that how you can apply for how to find or apply for PhD scholarship in Italy. And in this video I tried to explain what document do you need for PhD scholarship in Italy. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.